Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if brightness is not changing or working on your windows, or even the brightness slider is missing on your windows. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, simply click on system, click on display. In here, you'll find brightness. You can also automatically change this from here or move this slider. Click on this drop down arrow and you'll find this option, change brightness based on content. Click on this drop down arrow and choose off or never. Now once done, close this. Then in the Windows search bar, type here, choose a power plan. Click on it under the best match. Now here, if you have the high performance or the ultra high performance, then you can just simply switch as to high performance or the ultra high performance. It's either of that. Now simply close this. And if you don't have any of the high performance or the ultra high performance, then you can search for that and how you can enable that into your Windows. Then right click at the start button, select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the display adapter. So you might have more than one graphics card driver, but just do the same process for each of the graphics card driver. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this and go to monitors. Make a right click, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. Then go back to display adapters, make a right click at the graphics card driver, select disable, click on yes, and wait for some time. Make a right click, select